Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day series. Today's word is ürək. Ürək. Ürək can mean simply heart or courage. Let's use those in phrases. Strong heart, brave heart, to be brave. Let's see how they sound in Azerbaijani. Güclü ÜRƏK, Cəsur ÜRək, Ürəkli olmaq. Now, ürəy here obviously, remember the word hələlik, how we were saying it as hələli to soften the k at the end? You can do the same here, ürəy basically. That's what you're gonna hear. But written has to be ürək. Now, güclü, strong, cəsur, brave, ürəkli means with heart actually, but it means brave technically. Let's see some sentences, some poetic sentences. Güclü ürək nadirdir. A strong heart is rare. Rare, nadir. Nadirdir is rare. Let's see another sentence. Cəsur ürək qorxunu məğlub edir. Məğlub etmək. This is infinitive form, but we changed it does basically. Let's see. A brave heart defeats fear. That's what it is. Məğlub etmək, to defeat. Məğlub edir, defeats. Fear is qorxu. Qorxunu the fear. Cəsur ürək qorxunu məğlub edir. That was today's word, ürək. Make sure you use it on a daily basis. It doesn't have to be something 100% Azerbaijani sentence or something like this. Just be ürəkli and go for it. And just be brave and go for it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijan.com. Cheers.